Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this new tutorial. Today we are discovering the height and the width and the padding and the margin. And alright, so let's get started with the box model. And as you see, we have the content right here, and the content is described by the width and the height. Then we have the padding, which gives the content, the element, a little bit more space inside of this element. Then around the content and the padding, we have the border. And then if we want a margin, the margin is to give us more space around elements. So let's get started. We're reloading our page. We have hello world right here. And I have already linked my CSS. And I'm going in my style CSS and I have class name my class. So I use a dot and my class to style this, and now I say border and I say 5 pixel and I give it a solid color and black, for example. Reloading it, and now we have a 5 pixel solid border. So now I'm giving it a little bit more space inside of this. So I'm going to give it a padding and I say 10 pixels. Reloading my page, and you see I get more space inside of this border. And now I'm adding a margin outside 10 pixels, saving this, there's an S, saving this, reloading my page, and you see it's going a little bit further away outside, so I get more space. So I'm reloading it 100 pixels, and you see we're getting more space, a path complete around of this. So if I'm creating a new div, for example, div class equals class, for example, closing this and say hello, and I'm going inside of my, and I say class, opening and closing curly brackets, and say background color red. Reloading this, you see that the margin is completely around of this element. Alright, so you see there is a complete box model behind the CSS. We have the content, which is described through height and width. So if I'm adding height, I place a background color first and say red, reloading this page, and you see we have filled out completely with my padding. And if I say width, for example, 100 pixels, and reloading this, this is only 100 pixels anymore. Alright, but it already has the padding inside of it. And I can give a margin. If I close this, you can describe a margin top 10 pixels, then there's only 10 pixel margin from the top, or we say 100 so that we see a little bit more. You see, there's no margin on the bottom anymore. And we can do this with top, left, right, bottom, and we also can do this with the padding. So when we say padding, for example, bottom and 100 pixels, and saving this and reloading, we have 100 pixels inside of here on the bottom. And I'm deleting this. I can write margin and write 50 pixels and 25 pixels, and now I have 50 pixels for top and bottom and 25 pixels from the right and the left. And this works for the padding as well. And we can describe every single margin. So we say 50 pixels, 20 pixel, 3 pixel, and 100 pixel. And now we have top, right, bottom, and left side, and reloading this page, and you see it's going around. So that's it for this video today. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and see us next time. Bye.